invited to any parties. I just sit out from the in crowd and stay within my boundaries. I'd hang with my friends and it was great. We'd go out but not that late. And I really love it, never wanna change. But sometimes I can't help but think, am I missing out on something I don't have? Cause I don't wanna give up being good to be bad. I just want some insight on the life of the average teenage dog. One who looks like on the outside that she just has it all. I know that it doesn't matter in the end, but sometimes I feel I'm on the outside looking in. I'm happy where I'm at, so I won't get too vocal. But sometimes I wonder what it's like to be a little bit more social. Not trying to complain, I'm just a little curious. Cause I see the picture, see the post. Reckless me, not even close. Cause why would I be something that I'm not? I should be happy with the friends I've got, but these thoughts still come to mind. And I can't help but wondering sometimes, am I missing out on something I don't have? Cause I don't wanna give up being good to be bad. But I bet if I was there I wouldn't care. I'd dance but I'd stay low. Kids all raising cups while I'm in the back staring at my phone. And I know that it doesn't matter in the end, but sometimes I feel I'm on the outside looking in. And I'm happy where I'm at, so I won't get too vocal. But sometimes I wonder what it's like to be a little bit more social. Thought of what could have been still gets under my skin. But is it worth all the stress, all this constant he said, she saidness? Pressure of society, I won't let it get to me. Not defined by popularity. I'll decide who I'll be. I know that it doesn't matter in the end, but sometimes I feel I'm on the outside looking in. And I'm happy where I'm at, so I won't get too vocal. But sometimes I wonder what it's like to be a little bit more social. But sometimes I wonder what it's like to be a little bit more social.
They tell me that I'm wasting time. Tell me something I don't know. You left fingerprints across my mind. I try covering them, but they still show. If I had a choice, and whether or not I'd be moved on from you by now. If I had a voice or a shot at letting you go, putting you down, you know I would, but still I miss you. And it's hard, cause my heart doesn't want to. No, I know that it's no good, and I should never look back. No, every scene I think about. I keep on repeat from start to end. Oh, but honestly, I'm scared that now we fucked it up too much now for us to be friends. I'm not trying to say it's all on you. I've made my share of mistakes. I know I'm no saint, but it was you that broke the other half of this heartbreak. I hate you now, but still I miss you. And it's hard, 'cause my heart doesn't want to. No, I know that it's no good, and I should never look back. No, I keep thinking about the good times. Memories are like songs. I keep hitting rewind, rewind, rewind. Play that one again. First day that we met, before the start of our end had even happened yet. Play that one again. The night you took her out, the day after you said you wanted me without a doubt. Maybe then I can put an end to glorifying you, everything you put me through. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I miss you. And it's hard, 'cause my heart doesn't want to. No, and I know that it's no good, and I should never look back. No, but I keep thinking about the good times. Memories like songs. I keep hitting rewind, rewind, rewind. Like songs. I keep hitting, hitting, hitting. I keep hitting rewind, rewind, rewind. Like songs. I keep hitting rewind.
Believe me, I never got invited to any parties. I just sit out from the in crowd and stay within my boundaries. I'd hang with my friends and it was great. We'd go out but not that late. And I really love it, never want to change. But sometimes I can't help but think, am I missing out on something I don't have? 'Cause I don't wanna give up being good to be bad. I just want some insight on the life of the average teenage dog. One who looks like on the outside, but she just has it all. I know that it doesn't matter in the end, but sometimes I feel I'm on the outside looking in. I'm happy where I'm at, so I won't get too go-go. But sometimes I wonder what it's like to be a little bit more social. Not trying to complain, I'm just a little curious. 'Cause I see the picture, see the post. Reckless me, not even close. 'Cause why would I be something that I'm not? I should be happy with the friends I've got, but these thoughts still come to mind. And I can't help but wondering sometimes, am I missing out on something I don't have? 'Cause I don't wanna give up being good to be bad, but I